Bitcoin pumping late Sunday night into Monday morning. Will the pump on weekend, dump on Monday hold true? It's not an absolute guarantee, but it's almost a statistical lock. If it dumps on the weekend, it'll pump on Monday. If it pumps on the weekend, it'll dump on Monday. Did I just say that right? It's kind of confusing. A dump makes a pump and a pump makes a dump. There's a CME gap at 58,700, which would be right about here. So Bitcoin likes to do a little double bottom before it takes off. So here's the bottom here, 58,000, little wickage. Didn't last long. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, that looks a little better. Bitcoin likes to double bottom, then take off. We've definitely got a pump Sunday night, pumping. It was going sideways for most of Sunday, but for about the last 5 hours, it's been pumping pretty good. My recent videos, I've been talking about this. I have these vertical lines here. This big gap here is Saturday, Sunday. These two gaps here is Monday, Tuesday. Coinbase IPO is April 14th here, which is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, out this way. CME gap, 58,700. I am looking for Bitcoin to do a dumpage, $2,000 dump. Will it play out? I don't know, but I expect it to look kind of like something about like this here. Let's see. That's all of Monday, so who knows when it'll start to dump, but I'm looking for something along the lines of something about right like this, and then off to the races Tuesday. Coinbase IPO, who knows if it's going up like this or if it's going to dump after that or what's going to happen. But Google and Walmart are unreportedly buying Bitcoin. They've probably already bought. We don't have official verification of that yet, but that chart I showed yesterday, this chart, we're $4.7 billion. Hey, look at that. It even says more now. That's changed. It's 81,000 now. That's interesting. Wonder if they just got to like officially tabulate everything. But well, that'd be about $5 billion on April 5th if those numbers are right there. 81,000 Bitcoin, about $5 billion left exchanges and went into external wallets. And what that means is people are holding on. They're not going to be selling. So this is a monster. This definitely signals someone maybe someone plurals has made giant buys of Bitcoin and taking them off the exchanges. So we should be dealing with a Bitcoin supply crisis pretty soon. Supply crunch. That's what Bitcoin was designed for. It might get real interesting. maybe Monday just ignores the weekend dump pump theory, but there's wonderful news out there. Anyways, someone has taken $5 billion of Bitcoin off exchanges. Could it be Walmart, Google, and Apple? Something along them lines. Could it be more than one or two? The thing about that is the awesome news is it'd be Google and Walmart, right? That's just sensational news. But the really good news isn't just those companies doing it. It's that those companies have done it. And now almost every other company that wants to stay relevant is going to have to buy Bitcoin. So we might be dealing with hyper Bitcoinization right before our eyes. Technically, we're 3 a.m. Central United States time, 2:30 a.m. Central Time United States, and we're pumping. We're pumping hard too. So it's going to be interesting to see if that little theory holds true. I still expect it to come down here. As you see here, I've sold all my positions. I sold out earlier tonight, Sunday night. I used to have that big long list of positions here. I've got one order set, a $5,000 order set for $58,777. It's See this circle here? It lines up purple with the green line. When I highlight this, see that over on the chart? See how this working? I'm expecting it to dip down to 58,700, probably super quick. Probably something like this big red wick right here. If it does that, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting. I'm thinking maybe something like, kind of looking like that right there. Right, and Coinbase IPO on the 14th. Who knows? Who knows what's going on? But just green lights all over the place, man. Just look at that 61,000 right there. Sunday night shoot. Yeah, definitely a weekend pump. Should be a big dump Monday, but I don't think it's going to last long. It's going to be fun to watch. But anyways, I sold all my positions, and I'm waiting to open, get back in the game. Looking for the Monday dumpage. Monday dumpage and the Monday pumpage. We think heading into the Wednesday IPO, Coinbase. Sensational news abounds for Coinbase and Bitcoin. So better get your popcorn out and enjoy the show. Hope you enjoyed this little update. Everybody be safe out there. Don't do anything stupid with leverage. Just be my only word of advice. I'm super low leverage. I never put myself really at risk. So, anyways, as always, thanks for watching.